Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to talk about the DNA double helix structure. Deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA is the genetic material that carries the instructions for development and functioning of living organisms. It is a double helix structure. That means it looks like a twisted ladder-like structure made up of two strands of nucleotides. It was made by James Watson and Francis Crick in 1953 based on the work of other scientists such as Rosalind Franklin and Maurice Wilkins. The two strands of nucleotides, which are the building blocks of DNA, are held together by a chemical bond called hydrogen bonds, which are formed between the nucleotides. The nucleotides are arranged in a specific sequence which determines the genetic information contained in a DNA molecule. The structure of the double helix allows for the replication and transcription of DNA, which are essential process for the survival and reproduction of living organisms. Replication is the process by which a cell makes copies of its DNA before it divides, while transcription is the process by which information contained in the DNA is used to synthesize proteins, which are the building blocks of the cells. The discovery of the double helix structure of DNA has had significant implications for the fields of genetics, medicine, and biotechnology. It has led to a deeper understanding of how genes work and how they can be manipulated, and has opened up a new possibilities for the diagnosis and treatment of genetic diseases. In biotechnology, the ability to understand and manipulate the genetic information contained in DNA has allowed scientists to develop new techniques for producing drugs, agricultural products, and industrial enzymes. One example of how double helix structure of DNA has been used in biotechnology is the development of genetically modified organisms or GMOs. GMOs are organisms that have had their DNA modified in a laboratory in order to give them new characteristics or traits. These modifications can be made using techniques such as gene splicing, in which a specific gene is transferred from one organism to another. GMOs have been used to produce a variety of products, including crops that are resistant to pests and diseases, and drugs that are used to treat a range of medical conditions. It also have been used to create genetically modified animals such as mice and goats, which are used in medical research and for the production of drugs. However, the use of genetic engineering has also raised ethical and safety concerns. Some people are concerned about the potential risk to human health and the environment that could result from the release of genetically modified organisms into the wild. Others are concerned about the potential for misuse of genetic engineering, such as the creation of designer babies or the cloning of humans. Despite these concerns, genetic engineering offers many benefits such as improving crop yields, reducing the use of pesticides, providing new treatments for diseases, etc. As a result, the use of genetic engineering is a topic of ongoing debate and discussion. Another important application of double helix structure of DNA is in forensic science. DNA evidence is often used in criminal investigations to identify suspects or to exclude them from suspicion. DNA evidence can be collected from a variety of sources, including blood, hair, or skin cells, and can be used to create a unique DNA profile for an individual. This profile can be compared to DNA samples collected from crime scenes or from other individuals in order to determine whether there is a match. In conclusion, the double helix structure of a DNA is a fundamental discovery that has had a profound impact on a wide range of fields, including genetics, medicine, biotechnology, and forensic science. It has allowed scientists to understand and manipulate the genetic information contained in DNA, and has opened up a new possibilities for the diagnosis and treatment of genetic diseases, production of new products and technologies, and the investigation of crimes.